parade. Today we also got a preview of not only what you're going to see at the parade, but also what you're going to hear. One marching band in the parade is doing this for the first time. News 4's Rana Novini has their excitement.
Before they get to a national audience in Herald Square, it's the final tune-up at the South Street Seaport. The University of South Carolina Marching Band is getting ready to perform at Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade for the first time in the band's 103-year history.
Just getting to watch it all those years and just seeing that dream come true has been amazing.
The University of Massachusetts Amherst Marching Band is warming up too. The school hasn't been part of the parade in more than a decade, so for all of the 400 students here, this will be a first.
I'm from Jersey, so it's really nice to be close to home. My family's here.
Well, we made the announcement last year at one of our football games that we were going to be here. Everybody started planning. Everybody wanted to be here. It's a great day.
For both bands, it's been a juggle, managing a busy football season while preparing music for the parade. Not to mention getting ready to march for 2 miles in New York City.
It's a long parade, so we've been working on marching technique and just like endurance type of stuff for that. The weather today made for a pretty perfect practice session, but by tomorrow it's going to look a little different.
We'd rather have it be like this, nice and sunny and blue skies, but hey, it's the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and it's in New York City, and we're ready to go no matter what happens.
We'll deal with it, you know, the show goes on, all the shows going on Broadway, rain or shine, the show will go on the streets. We're just happy to be here and can't wait.
The bands are ready, rain or shine, for their big debuts.
We are so excited. It's been such a great week so far. There's only more to come.
At Pier 16, Rana Novini, News 4 New York.
They sound great. Don't forget, you can watch